Jeep and Bubba here at Black Bear Off-Road, and today we're installing Cavfab Sliders. They call them their rocker guards with steps. And we are bolting them on, but I'm gonna do a little bit of welding on them. Let me show you what they're all about. So we have these brackets that are going to get bolted to the frame itself, and they're also gonna key in these areas here. Evan is working to prep the driver's side. So in certain spaces, like right here, it would not lay flat. So Evan grinded this down so it's nice and flat, and it'll go up against here. And then we traced out, well, Evan did, where it sits, where we need our bolt holes to be. We'll center punch those and drill them out. And then we're gonna tap them, get them started. I'll tell you what tap and that you'll need on that. And then we went ahead and pre-ground one spot for each bracket, where I'm also gonna lay a bead of weld just to really snug those things up, because I plan to do some serious damage. And then when we go to bolt the brackets in, all of the brackets are going to go underneath, not on top, not in the middle. They're gonna go underneath and use these bolts here. Same here. So we have to pry these down a little bit and then slide them in. So let's get started. We're gonna get this side installed. We'll show you that, and then show you how to install the other side. All right, so we marked these holes, and then used a smaller bit, then went to 5/16. Then we used a 3/8 by 16 tap. That's what Evan's doing now, tapping her. And then what you don't want to do is go all the way through the frame. You just want to get a few threads started to make it easier for these self tappers to make their all the way through. Otherwise, it's going to have a little bit of wiggle to it. So just get them started, and then put them in by hand, put your brackets back up, and bolt your steps on. All right, we get this side done. Now you're like, Bubba, how do you get the steps on once I get all these brackets on? Well, these E-clips right here, yeah, those things right there, they're gonna bolt to these brackets, and then your bolts go through. Now this is the optional skid, and then you can just put a nut behind those right there. You don't have to run the skid, but if you're gonna use them for rock crawling, you can tear all this up, pull them off years later, get them repowder coated. Now I went ahead, welded there, welded one spot on each of them, and I'm not sure if that's even necessary, but I went ahead and did it just to make myself feel good as a welder. Put a spot there, put a spot there. Now I know they're super secure. All right, that's it. So it pairs really nice with their rocker guards. You get a decent step right here, get in and out. But then you also got protection that is tied completely to the frame, and there is a gap. So if you do hit a rock, it's not going into that body, and that replaceable skid on there is awesome. Highly recommend y'all check them out. Eat your prunes, and we'll be seeing you.